All right. We're gonna get a little more in depth with this double right. The right is really good if you know how to use it for defense and offense. So yeah, we'll get ready and we'll put our hands up, and then we'll just step forward, then punch, step forward, then punch. All right, looking good. Shift, torso, and then punch. All right, we're gonna practice a little bit, then we'll do it faster. All right, looks good. All right, practice it again. All right, practice one more time. All right, let's do it faster. All right, looks good. All right, so you put your hands up for protection, and we'll do it faster. All right, and always remain in control. Then you can stay in one spot. Here we go. All right, looks good. Looks good. Ready for the next combo. Have a good day.